Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we analyze the markets with both news and technical data. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Microsoft, the tech giant, and examining where this stock could be going. Firstly, let's take a look at the news surrounding Microsoft. Microsoft has recently announced a massive $60 billion share buyback program and a 10% increase in their dividend. This move is very bullish for the stock, indicating strong confidence from Microsoft's management in the company's future. This news is likely to have a positive impact on the stock's price in the short term. We will now be looking at the charts to determine if there are any correlations to this news. Our first scene will be the daily chart, giving us a broad perspective on MSFT's recent performance. Let's start by looking at the overall trend. The daily chart shows Microsoft is currently in an upward trend, having recovered from a recent dip. Now, let's focus on some specific price levels. Looking at the past few months, we can identify a key support level at around 325. This was where Microsoft bounced back from its recent dip and began its ascent. We also see a resistance level at around 450, which Microsoft has struggled to break through recently. However, with the recent share buyback program, this resistance level might be a bit less of a concern. We will need to see how Microsoft reacts to this level in the coming days and weeks. We're now going to switch to the 1-hour chart to get a closer look at the recent price action. The 1-hour chart provides a more granular perspective on MSFT's movements. If we look at the last few weeks, we can see a series of higher highs and higher lows, confirming the upward trend. The 1-hour chart also highlights the recent volatility in MSFT's price. However, we can see the price has been consolidating above the 400 level, which is a positive sign. This consolidation might be a prelude to a breakout, potentially leading to further gains. This consolidation is also likely influenced by the recent news about the share buyback program. Finally, we will look at the 15-minute chart to understand very short-term price fluctuations. On the 15-minute chart, we can see that Microsoft has been trading within a narrow range in the last few days. This indicates a period of indecision and a potential buildup of energy for a breakout. It's important to note that the 15-minute chart is very volatile and can be susceptible to short-term noise. We need to be cautious about reading too much into these small fluctuations. To recap, based on the news and chart data, Microsoft appears to be in a bullish trend, supported by the company's strong fundamentals and recent bullish news. Key levels to watch include 325 as a support level, 400 as a potential consolidation zone, and 450 as a recent resistance level. The recent consolidation above 400 could be a prelude to a breakout, potentially leading to further gains. With the news of the $60 billion share buyback program, the 450 resistance level might be less of a concern for the bullish trend. We need to keep an eye on MSFT's reaction to these key levels in the coming days and weeks to understand its future direction. We will also be looking for any signs of reversal, such as a break below the 400 level or a failure to break above the 450 resistance.